Welcome to Red Karawana, a place to enjoy unique adventures. Greetings, I'm Renata, the founder of Red Karawana. I share stories about faraway places and magical moments. Today's episode, Encounters with the Galapagos Wildlife, is based on our journey to the Galapagos Islands. We share a few exciting discoveries about the wildlife of the Galapagos. The Galapagos Islands are remote, pristine, and beautiful. Millions of years ago, volcanic hotspots created the Galapagos archipelago. The Galapagos, situated in the South Pacific Ocean, are a protected marine sanctuary. The untouched wilderness is the natural habitat for exotic flora and diverse wildlife. Our journey takes place during the dry season, the period from July to December. The days are cooler, the skies are blue, but at times misty. The nature trails reveal many species of wildlife, while snorkeling in the colder waters shows a very active marine life. Colonies of sea lions reside on the islands. They spend carefree hours swimming, soaking in the sun, and sleeping on the beach. We snorkel around Florena Island and encounter playful sea lions performing underwater acrobatics. They are very curious and mischievous. They pretend to charge us before swimming away at the last moment. Sea lions swim and play around us, blow bubbles, and at times stare directly into our camera. Sitting atop a rocky coastline, a young sea lion intently observes us before swimming over to us, wanting to play. This high-spirited swimmer gently bites my wetsuit to attract my attention. It is a surprising and amazing encounter. The moon-shaped beaches and rocky coastlines of Bartolome Island, abundant with marine turtles, schools of fish, sharks, and Galapagos penguins. The Galapagos penguins are the only penguin species that live north of the equator and are one of the smallest penguin species in the world. These incredibly fast swimmers gracefully glide underwater and toward the surface. We observe small groups of the penguins swimming and swirling underneath us, appearing and disappearing at an incredible speed. In the center of the Galapagos archipelago, Santa Cruz Island is a popular destination to observe the giant tortoises. We journey to the highlands of Santa Cruz Island, location of the remaining Scalesia forest. We visit the historic Charles Darwin Research Center to learn about the hatching process of the giant tortoises. On the eastern side of the Galapagos archipelago, San Cristobal Island hosts the Giant Tortoises Reserve. It is a research center and protected forest for the repopulation of the giant tortoises. It is a beautiful place to observe these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. Large colonies of birds reside on the North Seymour Island. The nature trail runs along nesting blue-footed boobies and beautiful frigate birds, showing their inflated bright red pouches on their necks. Situated on the southeastern part of the Galapagos archipelago, Española Island is inhabited by a large population of diverse bird species. The nature trail at the Punta Suarez reveals an astonishing gathering of wildlife. We encounter albatrosses and watch their courtship dance that involves bowing and beak clacking. At the end of the trail, we observe many albatross chicks, fluffy and gray-colored, that will grow into spectacular-looking adults. A journey across the Galapagos is a thrilling adventure, a chance to observe the rarest wildlife in their natural habitat. Follow our Galapagos travel itinerary and expand your knowledge about the famed, secluded, and beautiful Galapagos Islands.